you're probably going to be, doing it with your loved one, doing it with your significant other, your special person. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing, and if you have never been here before, then welcome. I am so glad that you found us, and if you have been here before, then welcome back. Thank you for stopping back by and spending a part of your day with me. In today's video, well, it's a Tuesday, so it's Team Up Tuesday, and it's time for another collab with my girl Ayyyeeeitsamanda. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a Glam Smoky Eye tutorial using this palette from ColourPop. It is the Smoke Show palette. It is one of their 9-pan palettes, which you guys know I am a big fan of the 9-pan palettes from ColourPop. I have almost every one that they have made. I just love the ColourPop formula, but I especially love whenever they put them in this just 9-pan small palettes. I love the fact that the color stories are easy to put an eye look together using these. I love the fact that it comes with a mirror. I love the fact that it's a nice little plastic case. I just love monochromatic looks anyway, so these are just absolutely just one of my favorite things that ColourPop does. So we are going to put together a New Year's Eve Glam Smoky Eye. And so if you want to see how I got this look using this palette, then just keep watching. We're going to be getting into it. What I've also got on my face today that I'm using, just so you know, it's going to be all listed down in the description box below. I tried this Glam L'Essential foundation. Yeah, probably not the biggest fan of this, but that is what I've got on as my foundation. Just, I don't know. I just don't think I was a fan of the moussey texture of it. Then I've used some Meteorites as my blush. This one in this little paisley tin. And my bronzer, I've used the Meteorites in Golden Land. So that's what I've also got on my face. Yeah, just went in with that. Then my eye look is the Smoke Show, and my lippy is Beauty by Christian Audette and the Mel Thompson collab. And we'll get into the look right now. Okay guys, we are going to get started with this kind of glam New Year's Eve holiday going out date night look. And so when I think of New Year's Eve, I kind of think of either a black, sexy, smoky eye look with a nude lip, or I think of either maybe a smoky eye with a full-on red lip. I really think more of the red lip for the Christmas holiday look. And so I kind of think of a vampy eye with more of a nude, laid-back lip. Really sexy, you know, ringing in the new year with your man. So this is Team Up Tuesday with my girl Ayyyeeeitsamanda. We are going to be doing our collab today using the Smoke Show palette from ColourPop. This is one of my favorite palette styles from ColourPop. I am really into the 9-pan palettes from ColourPop. The palette looks like this, and it's a really dark palette. There is a very matte black with a very matte white, and then all types of shades and textures all in between. You've got sparkly black, matte gray, shimmer gray, high metallic grays, and a very contrast scale. Basically, we're going to get started with the look and see how this goes. Hopefully it goes good. If you want to see the look that I come up with using the Smoke Show palette from ColourPop in their 9-pan palette style, then let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to go in with this color right here called Stone Face. And I'm just going to go right into my crease area. Let me take off this plastic over the mirror. I was leaving that on so I didn't blind anybody. Now I'm going to actually use this mirror to work with. I'm just going to spank off the brush So I'm just I like to go pretty deep into the crease and build the pigment up there first. And then, so I first start with windshield wiper motions, and then what I'll do is I'll use circular motions after that to sweep with the circles the pigment up onto my brow bone higher. And this kind of helps me have a little bit, what I found is a little bit of a better blend, where instead of placing, like if I go in and I place it right there to start with, then it usually makes me have a harsher line right there. Whereas if I place it deep into my crease to start with, and then I use these sweeping motions to blend it and sweep it up, then it makes me look like the blend is, like I'm doing a better job at my blending. Whether I am or not, I don't know, but it looks like it. So how was everyone's Christmas? I'm hoping everybody had a good Christmas and Santa got you something that you wanted or was excited for. We had a good vacation. We went to Puerto Vallarta. It was really, really pretty and warm, and the humidity was good, so my skin seems to be doing a little bit better. So that's always nice to get to go there where my skin seems to do a little better. Did anybody pick up Beautylish Lucky Bags? Comment down below. If you got them, you picked them up, if you were actually able to get your hands on one, which one did you get? Small, large, Jeffree Star? Did anybody get any palettes for Christmas? What did you get? What about the new Pat McGrath Decadence? Did anybody pick up that? Did anybody hear that ambient lighting blush is going to be in BoxyCharm soon? Did anybody hear that spoiler from Joe whenever he was talking about all of the drama about the Ciate London and the little bit of drama that happened with that everybody's, I don't know, how do you feel about it? Do you think everybody's making a mountain out of a molehill over that, or how do you feel? Comment below about that. I kind of feel that way. I've used my, I've got it sitting right here. I've used my blush quite a bit, my Ciate London in Halo. I haven't had a reaction one. I love it. I'm going to keep on using it. You know, okay, maybe somebody copied something down wrong that was left on the website. Obviously, it was left on the website. If you go to Jenna Freeze's page, she was able to find the old documentation. So obviously, Ciate London left it up. If they're the ones that changed the lab, I don't know. Whatever. I like my blush. That's what I know. That's all I know. I like the blush. I like BoxyCharm. I like the blush. I don't know. I don't know. And I like Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush too. Thanks, Joe. I'm just going to go a little bit deeper with this matte color called Slated. So that's this one right here. And build that up a little bit more. I'm just using my same brush, which is a Wayne Goss Anniversary Edition 04. Going deep into the crease with that. And windshield wiper motions for a little bit just to put that down, just because I have crepey excess baggage, excess skin. And now I'm just going to kind of start using circular motion. And now let's just take a little bit of that color and go underneath. Now I'm going to take an even smaller brush, and this is the Goss number 19. And I'm going to go back and forth into Slated and Let's Do It. So it's this really dark color and then this dark gray. I'm just going to go back and forth. And now I'm just going to just sweep that almost like I'm doing like a winged eyeliner. Going back into Let's Do It, which is just really that matte black. And I'm just putting it on like a wing. I'm really not getting any fallout, guys. This is like a fantastic palette. Going in very, very light. Tap it off my brush, of course. And I'm just going to go in just like I'm doing a wing. Just about 2/3 over. Now I'm going underneath. Just to kind of smoke out underneath. And now I'm going to take a little flat definer brush and I'm going to pick up some of this Smokey right here. This one. And I'm going to put that right in the middle of my lid. Maybe with my finger, maybe that's better. Now I'm just smoothing that out with the brush. Once I've applied it with my finger, just going in with the brush and just touching that up with that brush, making sure that everything is blended all the way down to the lash line. Exactly where I want it to go. Make sure there's no harsh lines anywhere. Just going to blend really good. So I have this one Super Shock called Tassel. So let's try it for our inner corner highlight because it's really, really light. So I've got it on this one eye. So let's try it over here in this corner. That's probably a little too much. I'm going to do my lashes, my eyeliner off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, Gen X beauties, I am back and I have got my eyes finished up with a little bit of mascara and some of the, I'm wearing today the Kiss Naked Drama lashes in my favorite style. These are the ones in Tulle. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get that a little bit closer, but this is the style Tulle. They are my favorite style. I just think that they lend a very natural, let me get in a little bit closer where you can see those, but I just think that they're very natural and they just give a real fluttery looking lash. I just really like the style. They've always been my favorite ones at the drugstore. So if I'm not wearing Huda Samantha classics, I am wearing the Kiss Naked Drama Tulles. So those are the ones that I really like. And so yeah, I like I've got this big pimple on my forehead right now. I think from a lot of the sweating that I've done down in Puerto Vallarta. I don't know. Yeah, I really like the Smoke Show palette for what you can do. It just lends itself to a nice, I think, classy, smoky eye look for whenever you're going out at night. I think that, you know, I could put my hair, oh, I do have one. I think that you could put your hair back in a nice little classic ponytail and just wear it back with some real big, nice, bulky, like, I'm just loving these earrings. I just can't stop wearing them. I just can't. I know you're probably sick of seeing them, but I just love these. I found these on deal at Ann Taylor, and you know, Ann Taylor's just, I find, one of the best places to get your earrings from, especially whenever they go on clearance. I just love them. But you can, you know, just pull your hair back in a nice little short ponytail or in a bun and wear it like that, or you can wear it, you know, down in your bob if your hair is cut in a bob, or, you know, wear beachy waves, or, you know, put it up, or however you want to for the evening. I think any way that you style your hair is going to be cute to go out for the evening with a smoky eye look. So yeah, but let me know what you think about this look. I really like the Smoke Show palette for a nice, just glam date night with a smoky eye. I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, remember to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, it's really easy. All you've got to do is smash the big red subscribe button down below. And while you're there, if you want to be notified whenever I post new content to my channel, all you got to do is hit the post notification bell and YouTube will give you a heads up when there's something new to watch. I hope that today finds you happy, healthy, and well. And until next time, smooches everybody. Bye-bye for now.